I am so excited for this puzzle shade as I am going to use it to cover this light right here. We're using an outdoor spotlight that's actually meant to be sticking up and aimed at a tree as a pendant fixture for our outdoor dining table. And we're thinking this will make that look so much better. Let's do it. Now here's how it comes. It truly is a puzzle. Let's put this together. So while it looks kind of crazy, you basically just do 1, then 2, then 3. And right now I've just done number 1. Let's keep going. So it's definitely a puzzle, but here it is all put together, and it is really quite stunning. It's more impressive than I expected it would be. So let me hook it on my light and see how it looks. And there it is. It's absolutely beautiful. Definitely is a statement piece. It looks great from all directions. It's really, really cool. Far fancier than I thought it would be. And I love that it's made of plastic, as it means it will last outdoors. It's not going to rust or deteriorate. It's going to stay just like that. And if I really need to, I can take it apart and clean it. Absolutely stunning.